Morning folks, Andy here. Welcome to the marina. We've just come to do a job on a boat here. It's been rained off for the last 3 weeks. So we're going to cut the side out of a Springer boat and put the hatching that I've made for him, so it's a duck hatch. So we'll get everything together and we're going to get on with that. Right, we'll just go down to the boat. Here we are. There's my boat. Rusty wreck. I'll come round here. There's 2 Springers here. This is one, this is Pete's daughter's boat. And here's Pete. Hey up Pete. Hello doggy. Here we are at the Springer. So we've got the door made. We're going to cut the side out there, down this window, and put a new door in. Right, so it's going here. So we're going to get marked out, and we'll have this window out, and then cut that out.